Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, I'm making shampoo for my hair and I'm using the aloe plant. Guys, aloe plant have a lot of benefit. You can use it for a lot of different reasons. A lot of people call this plant the healing plant, and I do believe everybody should have a piece of this plant growing in at their home. Can do many different things. So guys, check out the aloe vera plant. It's very important. You could use it for shampoo, and people studies state you could use it for medical reasons as well. All right, I already make a cup of my shampoo. I'm gonna make another one. I want to show you guys how I do it. So what I do, I cut it up with the skin. I'm not taking off the skin. I'm just cutting up with the skin. Then I add it. Some people take off the skin, but I'm not taking off the skin. So this is to make shampoo. This is how I make my shampoo with aloe vera. Okay. This is the same way you make the juice, but I'm not making juice. I'm basically oh yes. Yes. All right, guys. So this is it right here. My aloe vera shampoo. Let me show you how I use it. I use it like this. I throw it out in, you see, I throw it out like this, rub it up like this, and just rub your hair. Rub it in my hair. Okay? You could see the slime and everything. I leave it in for like 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, I wash it out of my hair. All right? Some people take off the skin. Okay, some people take off the skin. I do not take off the skin. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.